Hey everybody, it's me again. Man, I've been down here all freaking day working on that old mower. The one I was talking about in one of my other videos. There's just no hope for her. Can't be fixed. So, my wife sent me down here one shell and a Marlin 3030 to put it down. She says, one shot, Jerry. It's been a good mower. Don't let it suffer anymore. So it's going down. And it's starting to rain again. It's been raining all freaking day. It's starting to rain again. Let's get this over with so I can get it buried. Yeah. Alright, this is about as close as I'm comfortable with. You know, I am using my phone, and the wife will have to put me down if I mess it up. So just bear with me for a minute and we'll get this on the ball. Yep, I hit right there, if you can see that. Hole right there. I meant to shoot it here, but I'm a little too close for my scope. I guess I will go steal another shell and try it one more time. How about that? Because she's a suffering. She's bleeding out. Oh Lord, she's bleeding out. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, got it right there this time. Obviously, I am definitely too close. I just blew the whole fucking bottom out the starter. And into the motor. Alright, well, it's not what I was going for, but it's got to be good enough. It's a damn magnet. Hell, I never knew they had magnets in them. It's not a magnet. Alrighty, well, appreciate you sticking with me. We're a bunch of nothing.